Be on it almost the whole time. This one you'll notice, half throttle, you'll still have a lot of speed.
That was just right there.
I know. Trust me, I know. You'll have a lot more speed than you're used to. Because instead of barely staying in the air at half, it's going to scream. Does that thing talk to you?
No, I wish it did. Alright. Taking off.
Sounds a little buzzy.
I could tell that's a little bit faster than...
Yeah, just wait till you pick up some speed.
The lights look good on it. God, it's bumpy up there. Damn. Went in for a pass. Full power.
You recalibrate your throttle?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Probably gonna do it again.
You need some down trim, from what I can tell. Yeah, a little bit of a mix too, because it's bouncing around when you touch aileron. Yeah, they look good. Nate put them in? Or you did? Okay. Cool.
My dad gave me a little tip about the wiring in the rudder.
Okay.
That helped it out a lot. Roger that.
Let him do his pass and you're good.
It's on the balance.
It is. And I can switch it out with you. I got one that's balanced. Yeah. Well, now it'll just drop right into you. No. No, go ahead. Yeah, you're fine. The wind's perfect.
Is that Frank behind me?
Yeah.
What's up, Frank?
So one thing that I'm noticing you do with this plane, and you do this, you know, you still need more down trim. Yeah. Keep the nose down on these things to keep your speed up.
Yeah, you can. He's okay.
See, there you go. That's better. See that turn? That's better. You okay? Or are you losing into orientation?
I lost it.
Orientation. Still climbing. Yeah, you'll be able to fly longer with this too.
Alright, take it off.
Feels good so far. It's a lot faster than it used to be.
Nice. I'm coming! Yeah, see, it's not much different, is it, Mikey?
It's not really. It's a little
better.
bit faster though.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow, it's bumpy.
Gear pass!
Are you using the stock ESC?
Huh?
Are you using the stock
I'm
ESC?
using the Freewing 100 amp ESC.
Okay. Did you change the timing?
No.
Okay, that's what I'm hearing.
Alright. Landing!
Yeah, that's what's wrong with the mix. You need a rudder to aileron mix.
Yeah.
That's why it's wobbling. You change your canards?
Yeah.
Do you want to do some programming?
I can if you want, because it
Sure.
needs, because when you
Whatever
hit,
you need to
see
do.
how big the ailerons are?
Yeah.
What they do is they act like rudders.
Uh-huh.
So when you hit right rudder, it's gonna pull it to the left because
Alright.
it's gonna yank from what the
Okay.
low one is doing.
Alright.
So let's get some.
Whoa, Frank.
Let's get some. It just lessens your workload.
The fly's amazing now. I noticed the weight of it because the FMS fan was so heavy.
You mean they're stock? Freewing?
Yeah, the stock.
Oh, your rudder's off.
This?
Yeah, your rudder's off. That's why it was flying weird too. Yeah, your rudder's. See,
My ailerons are still stuck. They're not a big side.
it's not straight. Now it is. So that's gonna. Now you might have to change your
Okay.
ailerons when you're flying.
Alright, well I got high rates. High rates is right here on the ailerons.
And that's when you're gonna. This?
Yeah, that's high rate. There you go. go.
That's what when you're going to notice it the most. See that one that's down?
Yeah.
Without a mix, it's going to pull the nose to where that low aileron is.
Okay.
So
Will this
when
help me on landings as well?
yeah, because when you were landing, it was doing this.
Yeah.
And that's because of the adverse yaw.
Okay.
That low aileron acts like a rudder
Okay.
and pulls it that way when you roll right. So
Okay.
it's going to go like that. And that's why it does all that weird wobble bouncing
Sweet.
thing.
Thank you.
So now,
Aileron, yeah.
it's not going to do it.
Okay, cool.
All right? And you can change the amount
Okay.
if you need to, but 25 should be good.
Alright.
All right?
Cool.
There you go.
How did that new EDF do?
We're great.
Run better?
Runs way better.
Oh, do you want to do the
Do you have a
turning
way
on
to
the
program it? I have a programmer. If it's the Freewing, I can do it.